Aloha, Nina here with another ride video. Today we're going to head over to Epcot and we're going to ride one of the semi-newer rides but very popular, Frozen Ever After. And of course this ride, like I said, is in Epcot. It's actually in the World Showcase and it's in Norway. Norway, of course, which used to be known for Maelstrom. For those of you who have been to Epcot before, it was kind of a Viking boat ride a few years back after the huge Frozen explosion. They decided to redo that ride and make it Frozen themed. And of course, Norway is also known for Askershush. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I always mispronounce it. That is the princess meal over at Epcot where you can meet a good 4 to 5 different princesses. Anyway, back to Frozen. Frozen Ever After is an extremely popular ride. It's actually in one of the top tiers for Epcot when you do fast passes. It is known for having a super duper long line. So if this is a ride you are after, you for sure want to fast pass it. And of course you enter the ride through the queue, through the door, and you enter a, I don't know, like a royal kind of outdoorsy kind of castle-y area. I'm not really sure what to call that. But then you see Oaken's Cloaken's store area, which is pretty cool, and you can kind of see all the stuff he would have had in his shop, which is fun, you know, in that scene in the movie where they needed to get snowshoes and of course cuckoo clocks and all that kind of stuff he would you know, have for sale at his shop. But anyway, so you get on a boat, there is a minor hill, and you do get to go backwards, so enjoy.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. She's making everyone a snowy summer day. Oh, you're going to Elsa's Ice Palace. Special. Oh, it's so beautiful. See you there. Very much like today, on our stage, Elsa's getting an unselfish act of true love.
If you're the best friend.
Indeed.
Hey, you're going after the ice palace. in summer.
And of course, this ride does have a camera in it to take a picture of you going down the hill. And if you look closely, I am the redhead in the front row, and I do this on every ride. You can actually see me holding my cell phone trying to film this while hiding from the hill. I am there in the very back wearing a purple flannel with my red hair. It's pretty funny to me. This is in every single video. Here I am next to my daughter and husband, again hiding with my red hair. You should see the video of me on Seven Dwarf Mine Train. I mean, it's ridiculous. Here I am again on the edge with gray hair and my son, who is also hiding. I don't know. I do this for hills all the time. Anyway, also while you're in Norway, you can go ahead and meet Elsa and Anna, which is a different entrance. But of course, Elsa is, you know, Elsa. But it's Anna. Anna is one of my favorite princesses to meet. She is so chatty. She is full of conversation. She loves to talk about Sven and Olaf, and of course everyone else. So anyway, take a moment and meet the princesses. They absolutely love to talk to you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give Frozen Ever After a try. I know a lot of my clients will say, well, I don't have girls. We don't need to ride Frozen. I don't care if you have a girl or a boy. It's a great ride. It's not overly princessy, so please give it a chance. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel. There's a little icon in the corner. You just click it. And mahalo for watching. Nina out.